Yeah, in case you don't know, this is your humble boy, the Love Doctor. Invite your friends, share this video as many as possible. We are living in a very fake system of government in this country, and it's getting too much. It's our time for everybody to come out and talk about the issue happening in our society, because it's not getting funny anymore. We live in a system of government where the poor are getting poorer and where the rich are getting richer. We live in a system of government that provides social amenities and good welfare for only the leaders and not the people putting them in government. People are shouting, people are insulting this, these are shouting. The Yahoo boys, arresting them, killing them. You see SARS, police shooting innocent people on the street because thinking they are Yahoo boys or thinking they are fraudster. My question to everybody right now today is that is Yahoo boys the problem of this country? Is this 419 the problem of this country? Why are we as citizens of Nigeria, why are some of us fooling ourselves? Just imagine what happened to Naira Marley. Naira Marley was guided by almost 15 police to a court case. Just one man, without no gun, without nothing, because he sang a song about Yahoo boy, they arrested him. But there are politicians, billions, thousands of politicians out there eating our money, putting our money in private account, sending our money to offshore account all over the world, and nobody is talking about it. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? People are getting poor every day. The citizens of the country, they are how will I put it, no food for them to eat, no social amenities for them. You see children living on the street and many other things, but nobody is talking about it. You see senators sitting on seats, chopping the innocent people's money, eating people's money. They are sitting there, and the biggest thing of it all is that all this scam, all these people they calling their Yahoo boys and the rest, and different people, are they the real scam? Let's ask ourselves that question. Are they the real scam of this society? Are they the real scam? Hello? Are they the real scam? Oh? I want to invite your friends. I want to share this video. Invite as many people as possible to watch this video. We live in a society where our senators, our government, and other parastatals that are the biggest scam of this country, they are being guarded by different security agencies, and many of us are after people that are. I'm not saying Yahoo is a good business or Yahoo is a good livelihood. It's very bad. It's very bad. But we are removing our focus from the main deal. We are moving our focus from the main thing. In fact, if you come to think about it, you will see that even these Yahoo so-called people, these 419, these Yahoo boys, this fraudster, these cyber people, they are even adding to the community. They are even increasing the economy. Where all these other politicians that we are putting our money into, because everybody pay tax, I pay tax, you pay tax, everybody watching me around the world, you guys pay tax, but this money are being taken to them. But what are they using it for? What are they using it for? We live in a system of government where people will just, government or politicians will just make one long road, and people will be happy about it, and that is their real job. That's why they are there. That's why they are there. The money to create roads are already there. We don't need roads in this country anymore. We don't need roads. We don't need. Take your roads. Take your roads. We don't need roads anymore. What we need is infrastructures. We need industry. We need industry. We need infrastructures. We need things that will make the youth engaged. We need job opportunities. That's what we need in this country. We don't care about say you do road 100-meter road, 200-meter roads. Who that want help? Who help? We need schools. Our schools are dilapidated. We need renovation of our schools, both government schools. We need renovation. We need market. Our market are destroyed. Our market, if you go to some market, you yourself, you don't buy something, you see dirties everywhere. You see everywhere untidy. Market where person for dey buy something, go dey after you don buy am tomatoes, you go house go cook, you see dirty around it. Does that make sense? You see dirty everywhere. Does that make sense? We live in a society where the senators, all those politicians wey dey chop our money, are being guarded by police, mopo. You see them all around. When SARS are there harassing boys on the street, EFCC on the street. Is that fair? Is that fair? The scammer are there. The real scammer out there. I'm telling you the truth. The real scammer out there. Let's go there and find him out. Not disturbing youth of this country. Very soon all the youth will leave this country and there will be nobody around. There will be nobody around to take this country to the next level because everybody is afraid. Because of SARS now, common youth cannot just dress well. They can't wear shirts, they can't wear pants, they can't wear sandals because they are afraid of police. They are afraid of SARS. They are afraid of SARS. I challenge EFCC today. Today, I challenge the EFCC. Go to all these politicians. If you people know that you're doing your job, I'm not heard one day that EFCC went to these people, this person has to go and arrest this person. Who be the person? Politician. EFCC go arrest this person. Who be the person? This person na House of Rep, na speaker. Or speaker of House of Assembly or na House of Rep. I never hear about am. But what we see today is that EFCC arrest this boy. EFCC arrest this boy. EFCC arrest this boy. EFCC, are you after boys or you are after people looting our money? You see people looting our money every day. You people play blind eye to it because they are the one even financing EFCC. They are the one even financing them. Because you guys are scared, you guys are shivering that the head of your organization is being funded by the government, and that's the fact. The head of the SEC is being funded by the government. So how will you tell me that EFCC will go and arrest or prison somebody that is being the person is funding you? You go and arrest someone that is funding you. Is it possible? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. So let's tell ourselves the truth. All of us, we know the truth. We know the truth. So more forget all these things what they do for social media. Social media is on fire because of Naira Marley. That artist Naira Marley, that was arrest Naira Marley. Naira Marley is a Yahoo boy. This that deceiving ourselves. Ali Baba came out that Yahoo boy blah blah blah. Simi came out that Yahoo boy blah blah blah. Rugged Man came out Yahoo boy blah blah blah. Are they the problem of this country? You boys should leave them alone. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Face those people eating our money, our hard-earned money wey dey suffer put. Face those people. Face those people. They are the problem. Face them. Let's leave all these guys alone. After we don't face them, we will not have time for them. Cyber crime is very bad. Everybody know that. Cyber crime is very bad. Taking money that is not for you, using laptop, taking money that is not for you, is very bad. It's very bad. Yahoo is very bad. Follow that, all these Yahoo Plus and the rest, they are very bad. But are they the real problem? There is what they call scale of preference in economics. Scale of preference. Let's attack what we want according to the most important thing. Is Yahoo is the most important thing right now of this country, in this country? Is Yahoo is the most important thing? Because the real criminals are out there, armed robbers are out there, Boko Haram are out there, militants are out there killing people. Do you know how many people we lost to Boko Haram? Can't we send all these SARS and the rest to go and find them? Can we send them? But because of the greediness and the selfishness of our government, no na fear God o. My people, make we fear God. Make we fear God. If nobody go come and talk the truth, we go come and talk the truth because we know the truth. Are you getting me? We know the truth. We know the truth. We know the truth. If nobody go come and talk the truth, we know the truth. So let's share this video. Let's make the most important thing in this life. That is to face those people thieving our money. Let's face them. Ask for your money. Is your money? Is my money? Is your money? Is my money? I'm paying tax and you are paying tax. Let's ask them for our money and let's stop all these things going on social media. I remain your humble boy, Elijah Omarege, aka the Love Doctor.